called dimensions. It's a 24 by 36 inches. The medium is a mixed medium on wood. I started this piece using a watercolor paper in the bottom and over a wood base, and I used acrylic, ink, pigments, Pantone, and markers, and then I start working with the epoxy resin on layers. So this way I was able to achieve the 3D effect that you can see when you look to the piece. Initially my pieces are really colorful, and once the person see at the first glance, they cannot notice much the details, and that's where that's why I enjoy working and creating the playing with perception. So this piece shows like a universe parallel where all the creatures are whimsical creatures, like mythical. So as you can see over here, I create like a king where his crown are done with faces. So that's what I like to show you, these details. And since it's like a whimsical dimension, a whimsical work, everything is possible. So I end up highlighting faces that are over here, over here, over here, over here, all over the piece. You're going to be able to see faces over here. Over here you can see another face, and as you go, and you can see all over the piece these small little faces, and they are going over here. You can see also the eyes, and over here, all over this piece, you're going to be able to see when you stop and start looking on the details, and also the depth that this piece have. So it gives you the impression that all these images, all these faces and whimsical creatures are floating in the air. That's the idea that I want to give as the parallel universe. As I told you, like when this piece makes sense when you flip and change directions, as you can see these eyes over here, for example, this face is over here. When you flip the piece and change position, it becomes another face, and it makes completely sense, and then you can see another perspective of the painting and another dimension. Here now it becomes like another word, like floating, and you can see that the word is distorted and it's floating in the air, and then you can see the other images like creatures over here. All over the piece you're going to be able to see that those details that you saw, and the other position, it's become part of this vision of the painting, and then you're going to be able to see other creatures, other perspectives, completely different from in the same piece.
Streisand.